Caresfield heel warmers help warm an infant's foot to increase capillary circulation prior to a heel stick. To activate the heel warmer, all you have to do is break the metal disc and the liquid inside will turn into a warming gel. To break the disc, just bend it back and forth. Once the disc ruptures, knead the gel gently to make sure you have a uniform warmth across the pad. Then you can use the adhesive wrap to attach the pad to the infant's heel, and you're all set. Nice and toasty, but not too warm.